So this is my 1 year update of my hair. It looks very short because I practically trim. Um, e- throughout the throughout the months in the year, I would dust my ends, but this time, recently, I think it was about like a month ago, I literally tr- like took a lot of inches off my hair because I've noticed within the year, and my hair always feel dry and that it was always breaking constantly. And I'm like, what is going on? I had itchy scalp and I still had dandruff. Then it was just a hot mess, and I had a lot of problems of like breaking and dandruff and dry hair. So I watch several YouTubers, and one of the YouTubers that I will watch constantly is this guy. I will link every YouTubers that I watch about here so you can have an idea what I was doing in that year for a year, and found out that I needed to deep condition my hair every week. And when I did, I still felt like my ends of my hair was very dry. And then the guy suggests that I need to trim my hair. And I did. So it was a lot of inches. I had to trim. I had to trim a lot of inches. It was so yeah. I supposed to reach 6 inches, but right now I'm over here, and that is 3 inches. And I also noticed that my hair was also breaking because I do not wear a bonnet. So I started to wear bonnet. It's you guys. This bonnet, oh my gosh. It's the best. It is the best because when I use it, it stays on my head, which is like it's a really great bonnet, you guys. It really is. So the hair routine that I am currently going through is something that address the dandruff and the dry hair, the dry hair and hair growth. I want to actually, you know, I want long hair, okay? Because I look better with long hair. That's why I want long hair. So, the hair routine every week, I am going to deep condition. And also, every week, I'm going to do some type of hair treatment. So, it can be protein treatment, a bentonite clay, onion juice treatment. Those are the treatments that every week I'm going to do. The onion treatment, I want to do it twice, um, a, twice a month. But the protein and the clay treatment, that is just once a month. This year, I'm continue on incorporating um, hair growth routine, hair growth and hair health routine, scalp massage, and just eating right, eating foods that promote hair growth, and also use oils like jojoba oil, rosemary oil to grow in my hair. I also want to mention that within the year, I wanted to really grow my hair, and I've tried so many things, onion juice and rosemary juice and stuff like that. And I realized that there are several factors that will grow your hair, and that is genetics, age, nutrition, stress. I've noticed that one of the problems that I do have is stress. What I'm struggling with is stress. And one of the things about stress is that you might not feel it, but your body is internally stressed out. And it depends on the food that you eat. So if you eat any type of processed foods or sugary foods and even carbs and starches and lack of sleep can put your body through a lot of stress. That can play a role in how long or short and how much you retain length. Overall, when with this hair growth journey, one of the things I really want to do is make sure that I don't spend a lot of money on my hair and I don't do a lot of things on my hair because I notice that if I have to spend a lot of time and money and energy, all of that, I'm just going to be discouraged. So, yeah, till next February. Bye.